I am plus adjective noun. Meaning. Describing yourself, feeling, personality, job, condition. Example. I am happy because I get in on picnic today. Am plus preposition plus noun. Meaning. Describing your location or situation. Example. I'm in the orphanage now. I am good at plus verb ing. Meaning. You have skill or talent. Example. I am good at getting on to teach. I am getting plus adjective. Meaning. Changing into a new state, feeling. Example. I'm getting hungry. I'm trying to plus verb. Meaning. You are making an effort. Example. I'm trying to learn English. I'm looking for plus noun. Meaning. Searching for something. Example. I'm looking for my spring balance. I'm calling to plus verb. Meaning. Reason for a phone call. Example. I'm calling to make a reservation. I'm trying to plus verb. Meaning. You really want to do something. Example. I'm dying to try the restaurant. I'm having a hard time plus verb ing. Meaning. Something is difficult for you. Example. I'm having a hard time understanding this. I'm thinking of plus verb ing, meaning considering an idea. Example, I'm thinking of starting a business. I was plus adjective. Past feeling no state. Example, I was busy yesterday. I used to plus verb, meaning something was true in the past but not now. Example, I used to play football. I have plus past participle, meaning experience or completed action. Example, I have switched off unnecessary lights. I have never plus past participle. Zero experience. Example, I have never flown on a plane. I have been plus verb ing, meaning an action started in the past and continues now. Example, I have been studying English for 3 years. I should have plus past participle, meaning regret or missed action. Example, I should have studied more to succeed in my exam. I didn't mean to plus verb, meaning it was an accident, not intentional. Example, I didn't mean to break it. I came here to plus verb. Reason for coming. Example, I came here to learn about natural resources. I want to plus verb, meaning expressing desire. Example, I want to return to my usual state of health. I got a plus verb. Need to do something. Example, I got to go out to different places. I would like to plus verb. Polite way to say I want to. Example, I would like to start talking about a different subject. I plan to plus verb. Meaning future intention. Example, I plan to deal with the situation. I have decided to plus verb. Meaning you made a decision. Example, I have decided to quit my job. I feel like plus verb. Meaning you want to do something now. Example, I feel like going out. I prefer plus noun plus to plus noun. Meaning expressing preference. Example, I prefer cats to dog. I would rather plus verb plus than plus verb. Meaning expressing choice. Example, I would rather stay home than go out. I can't stand plus verb ing. Meaning you dislike something strongly. Example, I can't stand loud music. I'm into plus noun verb ing. Meaning you like or are interested in something. Example, I'm into cooking. Do you have? Meaning asking about possession or availability. Example, do you have a map? Do you know? Meaning asking for information. Do you know where the bus stop is? In next tutorial, I will bring you English speaking practices lesson. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest videos notification. And share my video among your friends. See you in future video.